To change the app's language in Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first we'll need to open settings on our phone. Then we can move down, select General Management, and go to the app languages. Here select whichever app you want to change a language for, and then pick that language. Now if we go back and try to open that app, it should use a language that we've chosen. So let's wait a moment. And here, so as you can see, it's, oh no, okay, so the app language did change. As you can see, it's in the different language. Sometimes it needs time to actually switch everything, but after some time, a full app should be in the language that you've chosen. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.